With this clove and lemongrass and salt, do you know that you can unlock every block road in your life? If you always complain about spiritual attack, or you have a financial issue, anything that has to do with blockage in your life, get lemongrass, get 16 pieces of clove and salt. So put a big pot on the fire and add 3 spoons of salt to it, followed by 16 pieces of clove and followed by the lemongrass. Add enough of water to it and you boil it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn out the water to another plastic rubber. Divide the water into two. Use part of the water to bathe in the morning and use this part of the water to the second part of the water to bathe in the night.